Department saw record spikes in influenza type A and COVID-19.
There is good news, though. It appears those viruses have reached their seasonal peak and are heading down. But bird flu is a form of influenza A, and the next thing to be concerned about for creatures or people. Is that the case? Our Lisa Adams brings us up to date.
The Erie County Department of Health dashboard tells the story. Influenza A cases spiked the week ending February 14th. 1,087 cases, setting a new record high. Sewage testing providing a partial picture.
Yeah, well, we saw over 1,000 reported cases in 1 week. That's really the tip of the iceberg, knowing that not everyone's getting tested.
At the same time, COVID-19 showed the highest spike since the county began collecting data. They hope the viruses have peaked.
Yeah, based on reported cases and wastewater levels, we saw a spike in early to mid-February, which is now since coming down.
So now to the other influenza A, H5N1, avian or bird flu. The county's health director said so far there are no reports of human cases in Erie or anywhere in Pennsylvania.
We have not also received any reports that there's been any wildlife in our area that has confirmed with the illness, though we have had reports that in other parts of Pennsylvania there are wild animals that have had H5N1.
The county health department is ready to respond.
So we already are working on our response team. We have put a team together. We're putting information together that will be out on our website. So if people have questions, they know who to call for what situations.
One concern, wild birds and waterfowl could transmit H5N1 through feces or saliva. And of course, we know chickens are at risk.
If there are chickens that you're concerned about, there is a number through the PA Department of Health or the Department of Ag. That information will be on our website soon. There's flyers and information sheets and frequently asked questions that will have contact information for those entities.
Lisa Adams, Erie News Now.
And health department officials said if you find a dead bird in your yard, they advise not to touch it, but to contact the Game Commission, who can pick it up and send it for testing. Lisa Adams has much more with the health department this weekend on The Insider.